It's very important for us to be grateful as always and to stop complaining, because if you read the word of Exodus, a lot of Israelites has been punished. It's because they keep on complaining to God. Acknowledge the blessings that you receive every day. Just like you wake up this morning, that's a big blessing already. And start acknowledging that, Lord, I don't know what will happen today. I am here. I acknowledge what are your plans today. So I humble myself before you and teach me to walk in your ways rather than my own ways. If you have that kind of prayer, definitely you are walking in humility. You're walking in surrender because you're asking God, but Lord, I don't know what will happen today, but I trust you, Lord God, to lead the path. Even if my expectation doesn't meet the reality, as long as from the start of the day, I ask God, Lord, here I am. I don't know what will happen today, but I just want to commit to you the schedule that I have. And there are bumps along the way, but I have a different perspective. Instead of complaining, I will just say, God, what are you trying to teach me in this situation? What are the things that you want me to know in this situation? So just have that kind of response in a positive way rather than complaining, thinking negative things on the situation, and that will affect your mindset as well as the people around you. So choose gratitude instead of